Exercise class 6th, subject General Science. Chapter number 2nd, The Living World. Question first. Write the answers to the following questions in your own words. A. What are the differences between plants and animals? Plants, animals. First difference is plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. Hence, they are called autotrophs. Here, animals cannot prepare their own food. They obtain food from plants or other animals. Hence, they are called heterotrophs. Now, second difference is plants show some movements, but they cannot change their place on their own. Where in about animals, animals show various movements and change their place on their own will. Third difference is plants show growth till they are alive. The growth does not stop in between, where animals show growth only till a specific period. Now, fourth difference is plants use minute pores situated on their leaves and stem for respiration. Animals have respiratory organs for respiration. Fifth difference is plants do not have specialized excretory organs. They throw out unwanted waste through leaves or bark. Animals have excretory organs for excretion. Large difference between plants and animals is plants reproduce with the help of seeds, stem or leaves, where animals reproduce either by laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. What are the similarities between plants and animals? Answer. Plants and animals are both living things. Growth, respiration, excretion, responsiveness to stimuli, and reproduction are the common characteristics in both of them. Both have cellular structure. Animals and plants both need water and nutrients for survival. See, how is the plant kingdom useful to us? Answer. Plants provide us with food in the form of grains, fruits, vegetables, etc. Some plants like Vasaka, Hilda, Behda are the medicinal importance which we use as home remedies for minor illness. Some plants are used for industrial purposes. Plants provide us with timber and wood which are used in making furniture and houses. Plants like cotton and jute provide us with fibers. In this way, all the basic needs of man, that means food, shelter, and clothing, are fulfilled by plants. See, how is the animal kingdom useful to us? Answer. Animals provide us with food in the form of milk, meat, eggs, etc. The occupations like poultry, dairy, fishery are dependent on animals. Animals like oxen, horse, and camel are used for transportation. Earthworm helps in decomposition of waste and make the soil fertile. Some insects like honeybees, silk moth are useful to mankind. E. What makes living things different from non-living things? Answer. In living things, we can see growth, feeding, respiration, excretion, responsiveness to stimuli, movement, and reproduction. Living beings also show death. All such characteristics are not seen in non living things. This makes the difference between living and non living things. Question second. What helps them to breathe? A. A fish, gills. B. A snake, lungs. C. A crane, lungs added with air sacs. D. An earthworm, skin, cuticle. E. Man, lungs. Diaphragm helps in breathing. F. A banyan tree, tiny pores on the leaves. G. A caterpillar, spiracles. Question third. Fill in the blanks with the proper words from the brackets. The words in the brackets are oxygen, dyes, excretion, carbon dioxide, responsiveness, photosynthesis, stimuli. A. The process by which plants make their own food is called photosynthesis. To inhale dash dash and to exhale dash dash is called respiration. Oxygen, carbon dioxide. C. The elimination of waste substances from the body is called dash dash excretion. D. The ability to respond to an event is called dash dash to dash dash stimuli to responsiveness. E. On completing their lifespan, every living things dash dash dies. Question 4. Write the uses of these animals and plants. Animals: honeybees, sharks, yaks, sheep, earthworms, dogs, bivalves, horses, mice. Plants: ginger, mango, eucalyptus, babul, acacia, teak, spinach, aloe vera, turmeric, holy basil, karanja, moha, mulberry, grapevine. First, we will see the uses of animals. First one is honeybees. Honeybees collect nectar from the flowers and convert it into honey. Beeswax and honey are the useful products for us. Honeybees help in pollination of the plants. Second one, sharks. Shark liver oil is obtained from sharks. Shark meat is also used as food. Skin of shark is used for making some items. Third one, yaks. Yaks are mainly used as a means of transport in hilly and snow-clad regions. In Nepal and Tibet, yaks are used for plowing the fields. Yak meat is consumed in some remote areas. Yak milk, cheese, butter are widely used in Tibet. Yak dung is used as fuel. Fourth, sheep. Sheep provide us with wool. At some places, sheep meat is used as food. Sheep milk is used by the shepherd community. From the excreta of sheep, a good quality fertilizer is obtained. Fifth, earthworms. They help in decomposition of dead and decaying remains of animals and plants. They loosen the soil. Due to earthworms, soil becomes fertile. Sixth, dogs. Dog guards the house and properties of his owner. Sniffer dogs are trained to track narcotics and explosives. Dogs are also used for medical research. 7. Bivalves. Bivalve is a soft-bodied animal inside the two shells. These shells have multiple uses. Decorative articles are made from these. The crushed shells are also used in building materials. In medicinal preparation, the shells are used. 8. Horses. Horse is used as means of transport. They also draw carts and carriages. In army and police force too, horses are used. Racing of horses is also a sport. 9. Mice. Mice are more harmful than being useful. They destroy the food and also cause transmission of diseases like plague. They are used in biology labs as experimental animals. Now, we will see the uses of plants. First one, ginger. Ginger is used in various dishes. It is also used as a popular medicine. As a home remedy, ginger and sunt means dried ginger powder, are safely used against headache, nausea and acidity. Second, mango. Mango contain very high level of vitamin A and fructose sugar. Various products are prepared from mangoes. such as mango juice, pulp, ice cream, pickles, etc. Leaves of mango trees are used in religious events. Third, eucalyptus. The eucalyptus oil is remedy for cold and fever. It is also used as an astringent. The bark of the eucalyptus trees is also used. Its stem is used for making paper. Fourth, babul acacia. The leaves of the babul tree are used as cattle feed. The delicate twigs of this tree are used for cleaning teeth. The branches of babul tree are used for making compounds. The gum oozing out from the barks of the tree is in great demand. The wood of babul is very tough and hence used in shipbuilding. Fifth, teak. Teak wood is used for making furniture. Wood from teak is used for making doors and windows. Spinach. It contains many vitamins and minerals and is rich in iron. Spinach is said to enhance health of heart and it also boosts the memory. It is also a good remedy to relieve constipation. 7. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is very effective against different skin infections, burns and wounds. Consuming aloe vera juice regularly gives relief in digestive complaints. Aloe vera is also used in treatment of diabetes and cancer. The gel of aloe vera is used in cosmetic products. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is regularly used in daily cooking. It has many medicinal properties. It has antiseptic properties. It is also a germicidal. It is used in cosmetics. Cough and cold can be effectively cured by consuming milk with turmeric powder in it. 9. Holy basil. Juice obtained from leaves of basil plants cures many diseases. Basil plant keeps the insects away. The dried stems of basil yield beads which are used by saints. In Ayurveda, many medicines are prepared from basil. 10. Karanja. From the tree, fruits, leaves, roots, bark, seeds, and twigs of karanja, oil is excreted. Ayurvedic medicines, which are effective on a variety of diseases, are obtained from karanja tree and seeds of karanja. Karanja is also used for the manufacture of biodiesel. Karanja is also used as a fuel wood. 11. Moh. From the seeds and flowers of moh tree, medicines and other extracts are obtained. The oil from moh tree is effective in headache, skin infections. Jam is prepared from flowers of moh tree. Wine made from moh is very popular. 12. Mulberry. Silkworm feeds on mulberry leaves during its development. The fruits of mulberry are eaten fresh or in dried form. Wine from mulberry fruits is extracted. Grapevine. Grapes are eaten fresh or are dried. Medicines are also manufactured from grapes. Wine is prepared from grapes. Question 5. What are the peculiarities of the movement of these living things? Living things: snakes, tortoises, kangaroos, eagles, chameleons, frogs, gulmohar, sweet potato, creeper, dolphins, ants, rattlesnakes, grasshoppers, earthworms. First, snakes. Snakes do not have legs. They creep on the ground. By contraction and relaxation of their body muscles, they move from one place to another. Tortoises. Tortoises have claws on their limbs. They too creep on the ground with a very slow speed. Kangaroos. The two powerful hind limbs and a supporting tail makes kangaroo jump from one place to another. Eagles. Eagles can fly high in the sky. The wings of the eagles are strong and powerful. The tapering body is highly adapted for flight. Chameleons. All the forelimbs of chameleon are comparatively shorter and weak. They creep with their forelegs and the movement is also supported by their tail and claws. Frogs. When in water, they swim with the help of hind limbs. When on land, they jump with the help of two hind limbs. These are muscular and powerful. The front two forelimbs help in balancing during movements. Gulmohar. Throughout the day, its leaflets are spread out in horizontal fashion, but at the sunset they droop down and close. Towards the stimulus of sunlight, the leaflets show the responsiveness. Sweet potato creeper. Creeper needs support. Since the stem is very delicate, it tries to find some support and then goes on spreading. If there is no support, the sweet potato creeper is seen spreading on the ground. Dolphins. It can efficiently swim with the help of flippers and streamlined body. It cannot breathe in the water and thus for every inhalation and exhalation it rises to the surface of water. Ants. Ant being an insect has 6 legs. It can walk fast on these 6 legs. Rattlesnakes. Rattlesnakes glides at the great speed through the sand. Its movements are popularly known as slide windings. Grasshoppers. Grasshoppers fly in the sky with the help of two pairs of wings. They have 3 pairs of walking legs. The first 2 pairs of legs help in balancing the body, while the strong third pair helps to jump. Grasshoppers can even jump a distance of 1 meter due to its modified and strong legs. Earthworms. With the help of seed, cuticle, and muscles, earthworms can wriggle through the soil. Write in detail about how the plants and animals found in your surroundings prove useful or harmful. Answer. There are many plants and animals in our surroundings. Useful animals. For farming and transport, we need oxen, horse, yak, camel. For milk, we keep cows and buffaloes. We obtain meat from goats. Pets such as dogs and cats are all useful animals. Harmful animals. Mosquitoes, flies, lice, and similar such insects spread the diseases. Rats and mice destroy our food. Poisonous animals like snakes and scorpions can kill a person. Wild animals like leopards can kill our pets, domestic animals, and human beings also. Elephants and monkeys from nearby forested areas can cause damage to crops and fruit trees. Useful plants. The food which we consume daily is obtained from plants. Rice, dal, chapatis, bread, fruits and vegetables all are obtained from plants. Harmful plants. Pods like nettle, colocasia leaves cause itching. Plants like oleander and lantana have very strong repelling odor. The dhatura plant is poisonous. Some weeds destroy farmlands. Some algae show uncontrolled growth in the water bodies and may destroy it completely. Now we will see other questions from book. Can you recall? List the things seen in the picture. Say whether they are living or non-living things. Answer. Living things in this picture are girl, boy, puppy, hen, chickens, trees, birds, etc. Now, non-living things in this picture are house, bucket, fan, lamp, book, box, ball, kite. Question second. Can you tell what differences do we see between the young ones and the adults in the picture? Answer. Young ones are smaller in size, height and weight. They are dependent on their mother. Adult animals are strong and can stay independently. Use your brain power. What differences do you see in the growth of trees like the mango, banyan and people and that of the bamboo, coconut and toddy palms? Answer. During growth of mango, banyan and people, many branches and sub-branches are given out. This increases their canopy. Bamboo, coconut and toddy plants do not develop branches. They grow tall without branching. Can you recall? First, is all the food we eat used by the body? Answer. All the food that we eat is not used by the body. Some part which is not essential and some which is not digested is thrown out of the body. Second, what is the unused part of body converted into? Answer. The unused food is converted into excreta or feces. Use your brain power. What is the sticky substance seen in the stems of the babul, acacia or drumstick trees? Answer. Sticky substance seen in the stem of the babul, acacia or drumstick trees is waste product of the tree. Since it is unwanted substance for the plant, it is secreted out through the bark of the tree. Observe and discuss. Have you experienced this? What happened immediately after the following actions? First, light flashed suddenly into your eyes. Answer. The eyes are immediately shut or we may instantly blink. Second, suddenly you felt a pinprick. Answer. We feel intense pain and thus we instantly withdraw our hand. Third, the leaves of the mimosa plant were touched. Answer. The leaves of mimosa plants are folded at once upon touching. 4. At sunset, lamps on the street or country yard are lit and insects gather around the lamps. Answer. If the lamps are switched off, the insects go away. However, if the lamps are switched on, they are attracted towards the light and are seen flocking near the lamp. Use your brain power. In each of the examples given under, observe and discuss on previous page what is the stimulus and what is the response. Answer. The sudden flash of light, pinprick, touch and light of the lamp are all stimuli. The actions taken upon these stimuli are the responses. Second, what is the main difference between the movement of plants and animals? Answer. Plants show responsiveness towards stimuli, but they cannot change their place. Blooming of the flower, closing of the leaflets, turning towards sunlight are the movements shown by the plants. Whereas animals can change their place on their own will and can move of their own accord. Can you tell? What do we learn from these pictures? Answer. The process of reproduction is shown in the above pictures. Plants are shown to perform process of reproduction in different ways. Bryophyllum is growing new plantlets through its leaf. Rose plant will develop a new sapling through its cuttings. Birds has laid the eggs. The foal is seen along with its mother mare. Use your brain power. Why have so many types of plants and animals been able to survive on the earth even today? Answer. All the types of plants and animals perform process of reproduction continuously. Due to this, never and never individuals of their species are added on the earth. That is why so many types of plants and animals have been able to survive on the earth even today. Can you tell? Observe a honeycomb and a wall. What are they made of? Answer. The honeycomb is formed of small cells. Wall is made up of bricks which are firmly joined together. In what ways are plants and animals useful to us? Answer. We use plants materials in most of our daily routine. Plants provide us with food in the form of grains, fruits, vegetables, etc. Some plants like Vasaka, Hilda, Behda, asparagus are the medicinal importance which we use as home remedies for minor illness. Some plants are used for industrial purposes. Plants provide us with timber and wood which are used in making furniture and houses. Plants like cotton and jute provide us with fibers. In this way, all the basic needs of man, that means food, shelter, and clothing, are fulfilled by plants. Animals are also useful to us. For farming and transport, we need oxen, horse, yak, camel. For milk, we keep cows and buffaloes. We obtain meat from goats. Pets such as dogs and cats are all useful animals. The earthworm is very useful in agriculture.